Well, this week's been a bit of a bust. First, the lance attachment that goes onto the jet wash, because the lance was plastic and the jet wash was a brass fitting, it stripped it. I thought I was careful, obviously I wasn't, so I needed to take that out to get fixed and have a more durable brass fitting put on the end. So because of the delay, I decided to change the cutlass bearing. Well, I decided to try and change the cutlass bearing. I couldn't get the mount for the cutlass bearing to come off the propeller shaft because the key in the propeller is stuck in there. I tried tapping it with a drift. I tried knocking it with a hammer slightly. I tried trying to pull it with a pair of pliers. I even went out and bought a pair of vice grips to really try and hold on there and pull it out. I tried WD-40 to try and lubricate it to get it out. The only thing I didn't try was heating it, but I don't know if that would have worked. So that took a long time. But I've had a look online. You can buy a new key for about £4 or £5. So tomorrow I'm gonna just drill into it, tap it, so I can put a bolt in there and then pull the bolt out. If I need to make a little frame to go over it and to apply constant pressure so it pulls it out rather than it sort of being yanked out. I've been told to watch the transmission going to the engine from the propeller shaft, so I'd rather be a little bit more gentle with that. So I'll get that out this week and hopefully I'll be uploading that on Wednesday with a little bit more good news. We're also expecting a mini heatwave next week, so I'm going to order the coppercoat tomorrow and I'm going to hope to get this boat in the water in the next 2 or 3 weeks. Although I'm sure there will be something that's going to stop me. I need to take the rudder off, so I'm going to have to get the boatyard to lift me up a little bit because I can't dig a hole out underneath because there's a steel beam going across. So I'll upload another video on Wednesday with the cutlass bearing being changed, and with a bit of luck and a bit of good weather, the video next Sunday will be the bottom of the boat getting copper coated, so that should be brilliant.